Hey there, foodies! Welcome back to Blogging Good Food. Today, we are unraveling the delicious mystery of how buttered pasta became a beloved dish worldwide. Grab your forks and let's dive in. In the hearts of Italy, centuries ago, a simple blend of flour and water birthed what we now call pasta. During the Renaissance, pasta became an art form, gracing the tables of elite. It was not just a dish, it was a masterpiece. Now, let's talk about the magic that happens when pasta meets butter, a global love affair on every plate. Lights, camera, pasta. Hollywood embraced buttered pasta, making it a star in its own right. Buttered pasta didn't stop at tradition. It embarked on a flavor journey, embracing spices, herbs, and global influences. Today, whether in a rustic kitchen or a chic restaurant, buttered pasta continues to bring smiles and satisfaction. Behind every delicious bite of buttered pasta lies the science of perfection. From achieving the ideal al dente texture to understanding the chemistry of pasta shapes, it's a culinary journey that blends art and science seamlessly. There's something special about crafting pasta with your own hands. Join us as we explore the heartwarming world of homemade pasta, where passion and tradition come together in every roll and fold. From the lively streets of Italy to the bustling festivals worldwide, pasta brings people together in celebration. Join us as we savor the sights and sounds of pasta festivals, where the world unites under the banner of this beloved culinary delight. And there you have it, the incredible journey of how buttered pasta captured hearts around the globe. What's your favorite pasta memory? Share it in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more culinary adventures. Until next time, happy baking!